buffalo.
Yeah, you get
Come on, come on. I want some buffalo head. Come on. Buffalo head. Oh, man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, buffalo head. We need some money right now. Yes. Come on, buffalo head.
all night.
Yeah. That's all I needed, all of those. Come on, come on. Be nice, be nice. And I had 3 more. 3 more head. Yes. Good, good job.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah, come on, please. Come on, come on, come on. Forehead. Come on, come on, come on. Forehead, forehead, forehead. Yes, yes. Oh my
Oh,
God.
that's really good.
That's a very good. Come on,
Yeah,
come on,
that's
come
a
on, come
jackpot
on.
Right there.
Come on. I lost in a high limit.
You were?
Yeah, I lost over there $25.
Every time I go there, I lose $2,000.
Like 3 grand right now.
Yeah. It's really fast.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
You got, oh man, one more.
Oh, no, 2 more.
Yeah, 2 more. You get them right now.
Oh man,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. Come on, coins. Oh man. Come on, I need some coins.
Yeah,
Oh,
you need 2 more. And then
that's terrible. Oh man,
I hate it when they do that.
I know.
They give you all the
Yeah.
buffaloes and then nothing.
One more.
It took me-
Oh my
It
God.
took $500 to get a bonus.
I
Come on,
wish.
That's a waste.
Yeah.
That's a waste. You need a trigger. Point.
See?
Oh, you can get that with $1. You can get that with 75 cents. Unbelievable.